Do you feel that out there? It's coldness. Do you know what that means? It means Q4, baby. Q4. We're here in an e-com world, and it's the best time to start selling. And I'm going to give you 5 items that you can get into Amazon FBA with under $100. Let's go. Alright, so these 5 items right here are great items that are going to be able to be scaled up if you do want to scale them up. But if you are just trying to get in and test the water, see how this all goes, these are also great 5 items to start out with. All I'm going to do, I'm giving these out completely free. All I'm going to do is ask for you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so I can build this channel up to make it something so I can provide this information to more and more and more people. But with that, no further ado, we're going to get into these 5 items. They're in 5 different areas and niches, so anyone can really get into these and sell these. Alright, here's our first item. It is a item that cleans dogs' teeth. Looks good. Cool item. Okay, so this item is selling right now for $17.99 on Amazon. Alright, so let's break down this product. What we're doing is we're getting that product for $4.20 and we're selling it for $17.99. So we know it's selling about 2 sales a day. We're getting 14 of those sent in to us. Well, we are getting those 14 to us for $95.43. If we sell all 17 in the month, which I think we can, we're going to take home $251.86, leaving us with a net profit of, wait for it, $156.33. So we took home $156.33 profit of our $95.43 investment. And that's just our first item. So our next item, we have the SanDisk, the micro SD card. You've probably bought this before. I have one in this camera right now. You've probably had one in your phones or stuff in the past. This things sell like crazy. We'll go to the supplier here and then just break down some of these sales here. Alright, so 255 daily sales with 7,653 monthly sales. That is insane. And then it's breaking down some of the other sellers right here. This is going crazy. There's total room for anyone to kind of grow in on this niche, and we can get this sent to us for $3.72. We're gonna grab 15 of them, and that's gonna get shipped to us for $7.16, bringing our total to a grand whopping investment of $62.96. You can't beat that investment. So for $62.96, we are able to get, so we got 15 of them, so 15, that's $225. We're leaving us $159 total profit on our $66 investment. We're almost adding $100 straight of profit on a $66 investment, and you know we'll be able to sell those within a month. This one right here is a little gold mine, and it is just gonna be able to grow and grow and grow. SanDisk ain't going around for anywhere. This is this is definitely an evergreen item which you can just scale to the top. All right, so let's get into the top 3 items right here. These top 3 items are ones that you could definitely brand. You can put the custom logos on. You're able to get a real high return on investment on these 3 items. A couple of them are perfect for winter, some are evergreen, and some we're just gonna go what they are. So with this first one, without further ado, we are going to bring up our newest one. Is going to be this 18 karat real gold plated 24-inch necklace, 6mm woman man gold. It can go, it's unisex. It's a great item. We're looking at these pictures here. They have great photos. We'll be able to definitely get this product listed well with great photos, has great descriptions. For under $100, we're able to get 16 of these guys. We have a $25.99 shipping fee to get this to the US. That brings our total of $94.63 to get this straight to us. We can get 16 of those, and we see these guys selling on Amazon for $14.99. Let's get some numbers on these and see what the sales are like. We're getting 270 monthly sales with 9 daily, giving us $4,047 in monthly revenue. This thing sells gold and jewelry, and if you have the right looking stuff, it definitely sells on Amazon. So right here with this, we're able to break down the numbers, and we're gonna buy that for $4.29. It's selling for $14.99. We know we're getting about 9 daily sales, and we're getting 16 of those. For those 16, it costs us $94.63, with a total sales of $239.84, leaving us a net profit of $145.21 off of our $94.63 investment. This is an evergreen item. We can really scale this up, sell this all times of the year, not just Q4. This is just one that I wanted to bring out right now, as it is a good gift item, and for coming into the other quarters, could be for Valentine's Day and other such items, like as other such times of the year like that. So this item right here is a great one if you really want to blow up and scale an item. And with our item number 2, we've got a winter item, great for Q4. This is going to be the warm winter hat. It is a woven hat that is listed for $4.27. This thing has free shipping. It's insane. So there is definitely room to be making markup in price on this. I've found multiple different ones of these guys. This is probably the closest version I've found of it, which means there's room to definitely scale this item up. It's a brand new item, and it's definitely going to be able to sell over these winter items, as this is a new fashion and hip statement. I really like it. So these things we see are getting about 87 daily sales depending on the vendor. We're able to get 20 of them for $85, since there's free shipping on those. So we're selling for about $11.99, so we'll round it up for $12 for these numbers right here. So we're gonna have 20 of them. We're selling them for $12, bringing us up to a total sales of $240, leaving us a grand total profit on this item right here to be $155. So we made $155, which is pretty good on our, what did we spend, $85 investment right there. So we're doing really well. And then this is gonna be our last item. This is item number 5. This 5th item is definitely scalable. You can put a logo on it and definitely make it your own, and definitely launch a really big brand around this kind of stuff. This stuff sells really, really well on Amazon. I find myself buying it all the time off of Amazon because it seems to be easier. And that item right here is going to be kitchen utensils. This one right here is a bamboo kitchen utensil set. This is a 6-piece. It's 5 utensils, and then the holder. The holder is what gets logoed and labeled. But this thing right now is selling for $16.95 on Amazon. This is a great selling item. We'll just bring up some logistics here. You can see it right there. 71 daily sales, 1,719 monthly sales, $29,137 in monthly revenue this thing is bringing in. And we are able to get this item for $81.27 for 21 of those. So what is that math? So if we're getting 21 of those at $81.27, so we're getting 21 of these at and we're going to be able to sell them for $16.95. That gives us a total sales of $355.95. Let's just take that. We spent $81 and sold $355.95 worth of stuff. So that brings us to our grand total profit of our number one item. Total of $274.73. Obviously, I didn't take out some of the Amazon FBA prices and fees, but I'm just breaking down some of these items real quick for you so you can see that you can really get into this and do this on your own, with just a little bit of research and finding items that are selling on Amazon that you are able to source out for a better, cheaper price. This right here is going to be my 5 items that you can get started on Q4 Amazon FBA with under $100. If you like this video, again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you can stay up to date with more of my updates. I'm going to be dropping all kinds of stuff on this channel of any type of investments, from my stocks to FBA to print on demand to anything that I'm investing in. So just stay updated into this and have a good one.